Natural remedies for hot flashes. Can they really work on severe hot flashes, or do you need hormone replacement therapy? That's what I talk about in my blog on natural remedies for hot flashes. I talk about what the natural remedies for hot flashes are. We're talking the best diet, and I give you the most important hormonal building blocks, plus the easiest way to get them all into your diet every day with my special menopause weight loss friendly smoothie recipe. And then I give you some lifestyle tips. What are the biggest hot flash triggers, and are you doing them? Because just stopping doing those can really help with hot flashes too. But diet and lifestyle alone are only going to get you so far. They're going to set the stage in your body for a cool, alkaline, anti-inflammatory situation, but it's sort of like tilling the soil, right? You still got to plant the seeds, right? So they're only going to get you so far for severe symptoms. I've just seen it so many times. Whereas if you come in with some hormonal remedies that are targeted at the underlying cause of the hot flashes, you can get real relief. My absolute favorite one to use is herbal formulas. And like, I had a woman, Amy, who recently was having the worst hot flashes, right? Boiling hot every 1 to 2 hours, 24 hours a day. And after just 12 weeks on herbal remedies, they were half as often, half as hot, and continuing to improve quite quickly. So you can get serious relief with herbal remedies, but the trick is that they have to be customized for your hormones. So of course, I can help with that. I have a free 30-minute training. You can just go watch the recording anytime on herbs for menopause and see if it might be right for you. And what about hormone replacement therapy? Well, of course, this can help, but to me, it's not a complete solution. Hormones give your hormone replacement therapy supports your hormones in one way. But your hormones crave support in 3 different ways, 3 different kinds of support to be really happy. And the herbs can give your hormones all those 3 kinds of support. So I say, if you use hormone replacement therapy, use it in conjunction with herbs to make sure you're getting a complete solution. And sure enough, I find that with the women that I work with, if they use hormones in conjunction with herbs, they get better results at a smaller dose with less side effects from that hormone replacement therapy. So there are so many options available. I would love for you to get my free resources, my free training, my free recipes for smoothies, my free menopause diet blueprint. On the blog, you can see the full list of the hormone triggers and how to avoid them. And there's things like get enough sleep, right? And manage stress. And of course, I also have blogs that can show you exactly how to do that with step-by-step instructions. So I am here to help. I would love for you to start feeling better today. So go ahead and check it out at danalavoielac.com on the blog. I'm going to put the link right below this video, and please don't hesitate to get in touch with me. Contact me if you have any questions or if you need help. I can show you where to get started. I can show you where to find the best free resources. I can help make sure that we get your hormones on track for feeling amazing during menopause and then going right into healthy aging after menopause. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you over on the blog. Bye.